Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram filters not showing in iPhone or Android. If you are using any iPhone or any Android and you're facing the issue that your Instagram filters are not showing, so let's see some possible fixes. The very first thing is that you just have to open up your App Store or Play Store and you have to try to update your Instagram app. So here you have to simply search for Instagram and you have to make sure that you haven't any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find any pending updates here, try to update your Instagram app, and after updating, you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so open your settings, go for general, go for iPhone storage, and your Android. You just have to keep a long press on your app and select app info, and here you have to select storage and cache files. Here in iPhone, go for Instagram here. You just have to try to offload app in your iPhone or in any Android. Try to clear cache for your app. And once you have cleared app or offloaded your app, you'll get the reinstallation option here. After installation, go back, open your Instagram app again, and you have to check if your issue is fixed or not. So tap on this plus option here, and you will get the filters here. If you're still facing the same issue that your filters are still not showing, so this is the only way to fix that. Go back, open the profile option in the bottom right corner here, then tap on three horizontal lines in the top right corner. Now you have to simply switch your account type. Now to do that, you just have to go for this creator tools and control, or is the account type and tools. Select that, and here select switch to professional account. Select next, select the what best describes you. So from here, I'm going to select, for example, the gamer. Once you have selected any option from here, just tap on switch to professional account option and just wait for some moments. Then select creator, tap on next, and then you have done that. Go back, open this plus option. You can also try to restart app by closing it, then open it, rinse. And here you just have to tap on this plus option, select sorry, and you will get different filters or effects here. So in this way you can easily fix if your Instagram filters are not showing. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.